Hello, good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. In the first video, we saw about introduction. Second video, we saw about launching with Chromium browser, and third video, we saw about launching with different different browser types. Like for example, Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. Okay. In this video, we are going to see a very simple small topic that is taking a screenshot here in the playwright with JavaScript. This will add a very short one, and in framework we'll try to take the file screenshots. We'll try to capture it. Okay, so let me create a new class. Okay, so take screenshot. Okay, okay, take screenshot.js. Let me create a new class here. Okay, now I'm going to copy the code which I did in the previous video. Okay, instead of typing everything, I'm just copying it here and I'm pasting here in the text screenshot. Okay, okay. Instead of Firefox, let me try with a Chromium browser. So I'll give Chromium. Okay, and I will, instead of Firefox, I'll try to launch with the Chromium browser. Okay, so first I'm going to import the Chromium right from the Playwright, and then I'm going to add async so that it's going to it makes us helps in waiting for the each function whatever we are doing. For example, go to wait timeout and close browser. We are going to handle a frame whatever we are making it to wait for a particular time, then to do perform that particular operation. Okay, first line of code, it tells we are going to launch a particular Chromium browser, and with the help of Chromium dot launch headless false, so it's going to run in in a foreground. If I give true, it's going to run in background, so we can make it to run with both headless and headful mode. Next one is, after launching a browser, I am making it to create a new page in the browser, new tab or a page, we call it as tab in our world, so it's we creating an empty page. We do that. This line of code launches an empty page in the Firefox or the Chromium browser with whatever we are going to launch it. Okay. Next one is, I'm going to uh, go and navigate to a particular URL. Okay, I'm going to go and navigate to a particular URL. That is, I'm just taking an google.com, and I'm going to navigate to that particular URL. After navigating to that particular URL, I'm going to go and wait for 5 seconds, and then I'm going to close the browser. This is a very simple line of code which I wrote in the previous video. Okay, now what I'm going to do is going to take a screenshot of that particular the Google the application which you're launching. For that, it's a very simple code. Wait, okay, page dot screenshot. So sorry, it should be dot screenshot. Okay, and then I'm going to give the path for that curly bracket I'll add. Then I'm going to give path colon and the file name whatever we want it. Okay, for example, Google page dot png. Okay, or Google search dot png. Okay, so let me add Google search dot png, and then I will add the semicolon here. So I'm just adding the Google to Google search dot png. Okay, this is going to capture a full page screenshot, and it's going to display. If I want to capture a full page, I need to give comma. I should give full page. Okay, colon dot true. So it can it's going to take a full page screenshot, and it's going to save it in the project folder path, and it's going to save it as a name called as google search.png. Okay, let's run the code. Let me save the file first. Okay, now let me run the code node. Okay, and I'm going to give take takes screenshot .js. Okay, let me try to run the code. Okay, it's throwing an error. Let me save it. Okay, and make sure I'm giving the right file name on it. Okay, okay, it is not under the test folder. Okay, yes, okay. So now, it is not under the folder. Let me drag it and drop here. Okay, now it's been in the test folder because before it was under the directly under the project root folder. Now I dragged it is now under the test folder. Let me run it. Let me save it again. Okay, now let us run because before it was not under the root folder. Now it is I moved it to the test folder. Now it's running. You can see Google has been launched under the Chromium browser, and it should close the browser. Okay, and it took a screenshot. Okay, it took an full page view of a screenshot. Okay, so this is how we can take screenshot with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Slowly we will move to framework. There I will tell you how to capture the test screenshot. We can make the Playwright to capture the fail test case alone. Okay, that we'll see in the future classes. Hope you learned something out of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.